Hey everybody, hey, thank you so much for participating and working with me the other day when we did the elementary filmmaking. It was really fun to get together as media and tech people to see how this all goes together. So thank you, and all the emails and stuff, and I'm going to show you a couple of things in just a second. But what I want to do is there's a few things I wanted to show you that I didn't get a chance to show you the other day. So here's a quick little video to show you that. I want to first talk about classroom websites. Let me just go here to Bethke Elementary and show you what I mean. All right, so here's Bethke's website, standard boilerplate PSD type website, which we're going to change this summer. But anyhow, let me go in here to the classroom. I'm going to go to 5th grade. I'm just going to show you what my concern was. So if I go to Miss Rossi's home page here, so she's done it, of course, in Web Blender, and she's got great photos, really fun, great teacher, everything, but it's very hard to get what you need. And so I was needing the core map so I could help work on integrating some technology here. So I'm looking on the links page down here, and see, it's not even loading up here. Oh, it has sound effects. Okay, so that wasn't it. I'll go back to the home page here. Well, it's probably not her story. Rock and routine, so maybe Cornell. No, it's not in there. And so, and it took me a while to realize that these little pop bubbles up here were navigation things. And I finally found it under coming soon, and there's the core map. So that really got me thinking that we need to do better. And when I talked to the teachers, they were saying, yeah, we want consistency, but we also want ease of use. We want to be able to not just edit it on computers that have Web Blender, which we know is a licensing issue. We want to be able to edit from anywhere. And of course, with Web 2.0, that's very possible. So I came across this company. Let me just type it in up here, www.weebly.com. Let's go to that website, and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so here's a website called Weebly, and their little tagline here is web creation made easy. And I want to show you just how easy it is. So, and they also look down here. See, Weebly for Education, which I now became a part of. It's free. So all this is free for just the basic package. Of course, if you want to go pro with it, I think it costs you $20 a year or something. But I'm just going to log into my basic one here. So let me just go up here and log in. My top secret password here. Hopefully that's going to get me in there. And not now. I don't want to remember that password, but let's just go on in. Okay, so I'm logged in. And one of the cool things, of course, you can see stats. Let me pull up stats from my website. So here's Mr. Flick's Computer Lab. Ooh, see, we had a high of 25 visitors the other day, so that's pretty good. But actually, what I'm here to do is just edit my site. So I'm going to go in here to edit site. And here it is. So I've got, the layout is so easy because it's all drag and drop. If I want to put another title up here, I grab this title, I drag it down here, and it makes room for the title. I mean, it's just amazing stuff that you have there. And if I don't want that title, I just go over here and click on the little X right there. And now it says, hey, do you want to delete the title? Yes, I want to delete that title. Very easy to put photos in, whatever. And let me just go to my different pages here. Here's a classroom news page where I do my blogs. I just click on new blog, adds a new blog to it. So suddenly, hey, look, I'm blogging. Photos, same way. Come in here, and I can just go here in multimedia up here and say, oh, I want to add a whole photo gallery. Drag that down into it, and suddenly there's a whole photo gallery that's been added to it, or a Google map, or those type of things. Really nice stuff. Well, look at this one here for file. So if I want a downloadable file, like here with my core map, I go here, and I can just download that there, and it says, well, what file do you want to connect that with? You just click on a couple buttons, you're connected. Very easy. You can use it from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. It's intuitive. People get how it's done. Dragging, they understand, hey, I can get that. And then one click of the button up here with publish, and my website is published and ready to go. So we have just a few teachers that have come over to it. All the rest should come over this summer. So let me go back to our Bethke website, and I'll show you just a couple of teachers there. So let me go in here to classrooms. I think it's kindergarten that we have. Let me go over here to kindergarten, and I know Miss Grauer has kind of converted hers over. There's Miss Grauer's website, really nice. She's got, look at the great photos of these kids that she puts in here. The photos are really nice. And see, you click on the photo, and it comes up in a little photo browser that suddenly you can just hit next and just kind of go through the photos here. Really nice things here, really nice. And we close that. We go back up here. Let me see if she's got anything in her classroom news, which of course is her blog. And nope, she hasn't put a blog in there just yet. If we want to go see her core map, we can click on that page, click on the download file, and there, downloads a PDF instantly to my computer. Really nice, really easy to use. And so that's the success we've had. It's called Weebly.com. It's free, It's easy to use, and you can access it from any computer that has internet access. So that's the great thing there. I wanted to also show you, before we go, where I'm hiding the videos that you've been needing to watch, and that's at www.hightechelемentarySchool.com. How do you like that for a long domain name? High Tech Elementary School. And I might be in just a little bit bold or what, anyhow, it was a domain name that was available, so I took it. And this is actually where we've been keeping all of our podcasts and our web shows all reside here. And you'll see that I've added the Flip Video Bootcamp as one of the links there that you have. So go ahead and use that, show it to your kids, do whatever. Once again, thank you so much for your participation in our lesson the other day. It was really good, and I hope you have just as much fun making the videos with your students as I do. And I'll see you at the festival, at Robin's Festival. It'll be great. See you guys.